We get lots of calls about foxtails. Unfortunately, they go anywhere and everywhere. When they go up the nose, that's something that is very hard for the dog to get out on its own. We typically need to go up the nose and scope up there to pull them out. The foxtails are barbed, so it's like getting a Christmas tree out of the front door the wrong way. And the dog's nose has a fold of tissue in there, so it's like the door is halfway closed. It's common for them to go up the nose and get lodged in a place where the sneezing may subside, but they're still up there. So typically we need to get a scope and get up there and to get them out.